is never easy. One more thing I learned is that when you really screw something up, you can't fix it on your own. Gotta go fast.
Don't tell me you've got a catchphrase.
That's right, new Hedgehog, and everyone loves it. Recycle some tin cans.
Just trying to keep up.
Time. The cannon is about to fire. Where are you?
You know, just making friends. They're all